Lathe machine is probably the oldest machine tool known to mankind. A lathe machine is a machine tool that removes the undesired material from a rotating workpiece in the form of chips with the help of a tool that is traversed across the work and can be fed deep into the work. Personal protective equipment (PPE), consisting of safety glasses with side shields, sturdy footwear. Do not wear jewelry or gloves that could get caught in equipment during operation. Long and loose hair must be contained. A milling machine removes material from a workpiece by rotating a cutting tool cutter and moving it into the workpiece. Milling machines, either vertical or horizontal, are usually used to machine flat and irregularly shaped surfaces and can be used to drill, bore, and cut gears, threads, and slots. Never run the machine faster than the correct cutting speed. Make sure that the machine is fully stopped before taking any measurements. Always use cutters which are sharp and in good condition. Don't place anything on the milling machine table such as wrenches, hammers, or tools. A drilling machine, called a drill press, is used to cut holes into or through metal, wood, or other materials. Drilling machines use a drilling tool that has cutting edges at its point. The power drill must be held firmly with both hands to control operational accuracy and the rotational torque. Keep hands and fingers well clear of moving parts. Avoid blocking and covering the motor ventilation slots with your hands. Allow the drill to reach operating speed, then apply load gradually. Safety glasses must be worn at all times in work areas. Long and loose hair must be contained. Gloves must not be worn. Sturdy footwear must be worn at all times in work areas. A grinding machine is a machine tool with an abrasive wheel that is used to achieve fine finishes or light cuts on metals and other materials. It is a machining operation that is used to improve the accuracy of a product that has previously been machined. Wear safety glasses or goggles, or a face shield with safety glasses or goggles to protect against flying particles. Gloves, aprons, metatarsal safety boots, hearing protection, and respiratory protection may be required, depending on the work. Ensure the floor around the work area is clean.
The shaper machine is a reciprocating type of machine basically used for producing the horizontal, vertical, or flat surfaces. The shaper holds the single-point cutting tool in ram and workpiece is fixed in the table. In a standard shaper, cutting takes place during the forward stroke of the ram and the backward stroke remains idle. The forward and backward motion is obtained by quick return mechanism. The depth of the cut is adjusted by moving the tool downwards towards the workpiece. Mechanical planers, or surfacers, also are used for smoothing wood to an even thickness. The planer consists of a frame, a bed that can be moved up and down, feed rolls, a feeding mechanism, and a cylindrical cutting head holding 3 or more knives that pare off the excess wood. Safety glasses and hearing protection are required. Remove tie, rings, watch, other loose clothing and jewelry, and roll up sleeves. Never wear gloves when operating planer. Don't raise or lower table while stock is in planer. Always run dust collection with planer.
Boring machine, device for producing smooth and accurate holes in a workpiece by enlarging existing holes with a bore, which may bear a single cutting tip of steel, cemented carbide, or diamond, or maybe a small grinding wheel. Handling boring mills is a complex job that requires specialist precaution aimed at protecting yourself, your colleagues, and your staff from bodily injuries. Always have protective clothing, know your machine, service your machines regularly.